everybody, Elizabeth with Country Peony, and today I'm here to show you how to make these really cute DIY knotted headbands. And I added a little flower detail embroidery. You certainly don't have to do that, but I love these headbands so much. I wear them all the time. It makes you look put together without having to put a whole lot of work into your hair. So if you want to see the very simple way that I made this headband, then come along. Thank you so much for following along today, guys. I hope you feel inspired to make your own headband or to do something creative. If you want to see more simple DIYs and tutorials, then please check out countrypeony.com or feel free to follow me on social media at The Country Peony. I'd love to have you there. Until next time, you'll have a great time and happy crafting.